Now students, I am telling you, if your mouse stops working, then how you will work with your keyboard as a mouse. You don't have to worry for that. You have to simply go to control panel, and then from there you have to go to ease of access section. After going to ease of access section, you will go to the top option, ease of access center. Here one option will come, change how your keyboard works. Then after going to that section, you can see the top option is coming, turn on mouse keys, and one checkbox is there. You have to tick that checkbox if it is not ticked. Now you have to click on set up mouse keys. When you will go to this section, you will see the topmost turn on mouse keys. It is again a checkbox. If it is not checked, you have to make it check. You have to take it. Okay, then you have to go to pointer speed. You can make it low and high, and then you will go to hold down control to speed up and shift to slow down. Here when you will press the control key, then it will speed up your pointer speed, and when you will press shift key, it will slow down your pointer speed. Now come to other setting, use mouse keys when num lock is on or off. You can put anyway. I have put it on, you can put it off, so it will work when your num lock is on. Then you will click on apply section and then OK. I will take you on my desktop, and I will show you that I am not working with my mouse, and if I am pressing 9 key, then it is working upside right side, okay, upward right side. Now if I have to move, if I am going to press 7 key, then it will go to left top. Okay, so you have to see the number key in your keyboard. According to that direction, it is going to be work. Now for enter, you have to press 5 key. Now students, I have joined with my mobile, and you can see that I am pressing here 9 key. Okay, I am pressing the 9 key in my keyboard, and where it will move, it will move upside right side up. Okay, means upside it will move, and right side. If you have to go to left side up, then you have to press 7 key. If you have to move downside left, then 1 key, and you have to move downside right, then 3 key. 5 key is used to enter something, 4 key straight left side, and 6 key straight right side. So I have to go to upside right, so I am pressing 9 key, and you can see my cursor is moving that side, pointer is moving that side. Now if I have to go to left side straight, then 4 key. See, it is not moving up, it is moving right side. Okay, now if I have to go to down straight, then I'm going to press 2 key, and then again suppose right side. See, okay, now I have to press OK, so I will press 5 key because it is an enter key. See, it is working as O. So you can do it. If your mouse is not working, you can